So I just wanted to make this video regarding how to actually register for a class. So from the main Contra Costa homepage, if you go to contracosta.edu, you're going to click Insight, and you're going to log in using your login and password. It's going to be the letter of your first name, your last name, and the last 3 digits of your CCID. So from the Insight page, I'm already automatically logged in, so it'll put me here, but might give you that login page. And then from there, you're going to click on registration, and then you're going to click register from your ed plan. Okay, so here's this where it'll take you. So you're going to put in your username, and then you'll put in your password here. So once you have logged in, it'll take you, and you enter your info, it'll take you to this page right here. And then what you'll do is you'll search for my class, and which is the Kines 191, hit enter, and then it should pop up here. If it doesn't, I usually just click the kinesiology classes, and it's right here, the elementary physical education course. So you're just going to click add to course plan, and you want it for the spring 2021. Okay, so it'll show you that it's been added to the plan. And then if you go back to plan and schedule, it'll show you that it's in your schedule, and then you'll just click the register now button. And if you have already filled out your waivers and you filled out your concurrent enrollment form and you've been approved, then by clicking register now, it'll automatically register you for the course. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at tvaldehueza, TVALDEHUEZA @WCCUSD.net. Okay, thank you so much.